Guys, it's Hardy Boys for Life. Hardy Boys for Life, 1999 here. We were doing the burning out this car. We wanted to take a video. He threw his iPod at us. And it hit the floor and then it broke. Here's one part of it. There's a part right here. And there's another part over there. Some right here. I was like, what a dumbass. It's like, seriously. This we got some stuff. Sucks it can't be fixed. Yeah. Thanks for watching.